Welcome to Quizmonks. Let's see if you can ace these 52 color magic the science of light questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What colorful bridge is made of light? A cloud, a rainbow, or a painting? And it was a rainbow. Mixing all light colors makes what color? White, brown, or black? White. Correct. What does a clear window do to light? Blocks it, bounces it, or lets it pass? Correct answer, lets it pass. What object lets no light pass through? A clear object, an opaque object, or a shiny object? An opaque object. Perfect. What happens when light bends in water? Shadow, reflection, or refraction? It's refraction. A black shirt feels hotter because it does what? Absorbs light, makes light, or reflects light. And it was absorbs light. What are the three main colors of light? Orange, purple, green, red, yellow, blue, or red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. You got. What do we call a light source's bouncing? Absorption, reflection, or refraction? Reflection. Exactly. Some bees see a special light called ultraviolet. Who? Dogs, cats, or bees? It's bees. What tool splits light into a rainbow? A window, a prism, or a mirror? A prism. Bullseye. What is the very fastest thing in the universe? Sound, light, or rocket? Light. Bullseye. What makes the sky look blue? Blue air, ocean reflection, or scattered light? Scattered light. Incredible. How many main colors are in a rainbow? 6, 7, or 8? Did you guess 7? What shape is a round ball's shadow? Round, square, or A-line? Round. Perfect. What color do blue and yellow paint make? Purple, green, or orange? Green. Spot on. Which of these things makes its own light? A mirror, the moon, or the sun? The sun. Well done. An object letting blurry light through is translucent, opaque, or reflective. Drum roll, please. Translucent. How do plants use sunlight to make food? Drinking light, photosynthesis, or sunbreathing? The answer is photosynthesis. Why see lightning before you hear thunder? Thunder is shy. Light is faster. Or sound is faster. Light is faster. That's it. What happens to light in a magnifying glass? It scatters, it disappears, or it focuses. It focuses. Exactly. What are the main colors for mixing paint? Orange, green, purple. Red, green, blue. Or red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. What special light do we feel as heat? Gamma beam, ultraviolet, or infrared? Correct answer, infrared. What is it called when a firefly glows? Bioluminescence, electric charge, or photosynthesis? Bioluminescence. You got it. What helps some animals see in the dark? A mirror layer, tiny flashlights, or bigger brains? Did you guess a mirror layer? What trick makes flipbooks seem to move? The pages are magic, the ink is special, or your brain holds on. Your brain holds on. Perfect. A chameleon changes color mostly to do what? Sing, fly, or hide. Hide. Well done. Why are plant leaves usually the color green? The sun is green. They drink green water. Or they bounce green light. They bounce green light. Bullseye! Why do shiny soap bubbles have rainbow colors? The sky is inside. The soap has paint. Or light splits apart. Light splits apart. Incredible. What tiny lights make colors on your TV screen? Rainbow stripes, little light bulbs, or red, green, and blue? Red, green, and blue. brown. It's yellow. Why can't we see colors well in the dark? The moon is too bright. Colors fade at night. Or, our color catchers need light. Our color catchers need light. Correct. What do you need to make a good shadow puppet? A black crayon, a mirror, and a window, or a light and a wall. It's a light and a wall. Why does the sun sometimes look red or orange? Blue light gets scattered. The sun is cooling down, or the clouds add color. Blue light gets scattered. Awesome! What is a special, super focused beam of light called? A magic wand, a sunbeam, or a laser? A laser! You got it! Mixing all the colors of paint together makes what? A sparkly white, a murky brown/black, or a clear liquid. It was indeed a murky brown/. What word means light can't pass through an object? Hollow, opaque, or shiny? Opaque. That's it. What does a submarine periscope use to see outside? A big window, 2 mirrors, or a telescope? And it was 2 mirrors. Which animal can see the special heat light from others? All birds, some snakes, or pet cats. Did you guess? Some snakes? How do 3D movie glasses trick your brain? Make the screen much brighter. Show each eye a different view. Or zoom in on the movie. Show each eye a different view. Correct. What tiny things inside a strawberry give it its color? Juice, pigments, or seeds? Pigments. Incredible. How do sunglasses help protect our eyes? They cool our eyes. They make colors. Or they block light. They block light. Exactly. How do glow-in-the-dark stars work after light's out? They are magic. They store light. Or they have batteries. They store light. Well done. Which color of a candle's flame is actually the hottest part? Yellow, blue, or orange? Blue. Correct. Why do car headlights look fuzzy and spread out in fog? Light scatters. Light gets tired. Or fog makes light. Light scatters. That's it. What are the amazing, colorful dancing lights in the Arctic sky? A moonbow, space clouds, or the aurora? And it was the aurora. What tool uses light and lenses to see super tiny things? A telescope, binoculars, or a microscope? A microscope, correct. What special, invisible light from the sun can cause a sunburn? Ultraviolet light, rainbow light, or moonlight? The answer is ultraviolet light. Why can you see your face in a still lake? The water is a mirror, the water is blue, or the water is see-through. And it was, the water is a mirror. How does colorful stained glass work in a window? It creates light, it filters light, or it paints light. It filters light. Incredible. What tiny, super-fast packets is all light made of? Light drops, photons, or protons? Did you guess photons? What special light helps a scanner read a barcode? A flashlight, sunlight, or a laser? Did you guess a laser? Why do some deep-sea fish make their own light? To see the sun to find food, or to stay warm? Drum roll, please, to find food. How did you do? Let us know below. Don't forget to subscribe.